What up, YouTube? It's your boy Riker Buff 900 back with another video. I'm sorry. Spyder Rider Buff back with another video. I gotta get used to it, y'all. Sorry. I had a Riker for 2 years. I've been doing videos. So today I'm doing docking station for the Can-Am Spyder RT. Has two USBs, 5 volt on that side, and cigarette lighter adapter on that side. We're gonna apply this here. We're gonna mount this one here, and I also have a mount for my GPS. I'm gonna do that too. All that gonna be on here, right? So stay tuned for the video. Alright, so I got half my panels off. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure nothing don't fly away. I need I think it's I'm gonna need me an 8mm Allen head for here. I think it's this one. Oh, they said 7mm Allen head. I'm gonna use a short extension. I'm gonna put y'all where y'all can see what I'm doing. And I'll loosen just the two top bolts. Oh, that's tight. You're just loosening the two top ones. Might have to get the bigger ratchets to handle the tightness back up. They're gonna loosen these two up. Give you more access instead of having everything on your handlebars. Makes it a little neater. Also, I'm gonna take these bolts all the way out. Oh man, I may do that. Handlebar move. I want to do that. I want to loosen the handlebars. Might have to go over there and readjust those. I'll just move them. Didn't know they was gonna move. Take the bolts out. Do not drop them. You don't want to drop them. Alright. Then you're gonna take your hardware. So all these windy days, man. Every time I come to do a video, it's windy outside. Alright, so you can take the two spacers that came in the kit. One there. One there. Alright, so now you're taking two new bolts. Take the washers off the previous bolts that you took out. Because you're not reusing those, you're going to reuse the washers though. Put your washers on. Then you get a little blue removable thread lock. Always keep your thread lock. Don't throw it away. Because you never know when you're going to need it again. So that's why I use a little bit at a time. So it goes a long way. Take a little blue thread lock. Put it on these bolts right here. both of them. Put the cap back on your thread lock. My thread lock back in its bag. Try to remember, always put your stuff back where you got it from so you don't misplace it. That's a trick in itself right there. You know? Now you take the harness, you're going to run it down with the factory harness. Supposed to run it down. And with the factory harness. I don't know which way this is going. It's supposed to be going down here with the factory harness. Let me see. Okay. Why didn't it go that way? Inside the thing, man. Same thing. Set it on top of there like that. Come on, I'll start that. You don't need to be dropping nothing. That's when problems start, right? Well, that down like that. Line this one up. Get it in there. Line that one up. Take it in there. And the bolts down. Now see where it's going. Got a different angle now. I can see better. There you go. And I know hopefully this will come out on this side somewhere. I don't feel it. All right, so make sure you get some dielectric grease. Put it on all your ends. All your connections. Put it back in the Ziploc. I'll tell you what. Always put everything back in your thing. Let me make sure my mic is on. Now you take this end. It's gonna go into here, right? No, this thing goes into here. Take this end and put it in here. Make sure you get the clicks. And take this here. You know what? Let's run it like this. I'm gonna run this where it ain't out wild and nice and neat. Run everything. Keep it nice and neat. Right here like this. Right there like this. You take this one and stick it back in there like that. Now, before you do anything, turn my ignition on. Let's get you over here. You can see also. And we're gonna see we got juice. See right now it's not lit up. That's supposed to light up. So switch on. There you go. Light up blue. Yeah, right there, lit up blue. So, oh damn it, right? Mission accomplished. Now all you do, take a zip tie and just zip tie it to whatever. I'm gonna just zip tie this stuff right here. I'm gonna just zip tie right to this pole by itself to nothing. And go there. So, just like that. And that's accessory. So I think while I got my accessory open, I can hook up my GPS to the same accessory. I think I'm gonna do that. Automatic. Have a GPS. Let's see if I can do that now. Splice it right into there. Okay, y'all. So while I had my panel open, I went on ahead and added my GPS to this thing also. Let me get one more zip tie. This way I don't have to go back in the panel again. The panel was already open. So with the panel open, might as well do it now. You know what I'm saying? Get it over with. And a couple of zip ties. So these wires don't move. So this way now, my GPS is good to go. Also, I don't want it dangling and moving around. You know what I mean? And zip tie this here. I guess to this right here. Just keep everything from jumping around. There we go. And let me clip these. I'll show you the dock, the GPS. I still have to mount it. So now, before, you like the other bike is connected to the battery. I'm gonna mount it here, so it'll be like this. But see now when I turn the key on, it automatically comes on. Then I turn the key off. you're going to see it shut off. I can shut it off from here. Touch it again, but you're going to see it shut off when the bike shut down. Is what I want. See? Perfect. So there you have it, y'all. Docking station for the Can-Am Spyder. And a GPS mount. Ball mount. This is Spyder Rider Buff. See you on the next one. Peace. I'm out. I'm going to put this joint back together. And that's going to be it for today. Holla at y'all later. Peace. Ride safe.